What's going on, everybody? Sean here. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the DJI Neo. This isn't released yet until another couple more weeks in the US, but we have it here today. Full disclosure, this is something that I purchased myself. This was not given to me by DJI or anyone else. We're going to take a look at it right now, together. What we have is DJI's normal packaging, pretty minimalistic. Even tells you if you want to check out the DJI Care Refresh once you purchase. This is supposed to be the Fly More combo, which has a controller and two other batteries. Let's get into it and see what we got. I know that's a pull tab, but I like using my knife. It's all packaged in there nice and neat. We have, this is the batteries that come with it. Right on top. USB-C to C cable. Screwdriver that comes with, and this, I imagine this is for the controller, USB-C to Lightning. I have an iPhone, so that's something we're definitely going to be using. And the controller. Oh, it's got a nice little dark gray to it. Seems basic like the rest of them. Big enough for an iPhone to fit into. Do like the feel of this. I mean, it really does feel like the previous two, but these feel nicer than, so what I'm currently using is a DJI Air 2. This feels nice and premium. The wheel feels nice. Buttons. Nope, got a little bit of charge left on it. Record and stop. All right, let's get this out the way. Set this right here. What else we got in here? And the thing we all came here to see, this little guy. I mean, it is tiny. Look at that. Really no bigger than the controller itself. Awesome. So, seems it comes with, we'll just set that right here for now. And some documentation. One. Two propellers? I thought this came with more than that. Spare propellers. Two. Okay. Let's double check. All right, no documentation. No more propellers. So, this is what all comes in the Fly More combo. Extra packaging and the batteries. Cable. Your screwdriver. USB-C to C cable for charging. That's all. Well, thanks for joining. I'm going to get this charged up and no charge on the battery itself. Whoops. Charge to activate the battery before using for the first time. All right. Well, since this was just an unboxing, we are going to charge this up, and then we're going to give it a test run and give you an honest review. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with more.